Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we're continuing to build on our RV. Man, what a transformation with that new dash right there. It looks really clean. Honestly, I think it's gonna be very unique, custom, one of a kind, 15, 16 Thor Vegas. So I don't think there's much, gray and black like that out there with the Ford tuxedo black and all that good stuff. I mean, it's gonna be unique, definitely one of a kind, like I said, but it's just so motivating to see it coming together. You guys remember what it looked like before? Yeah, it was really bad. I mean, honestly, it's really nice to see it coming together. So it's like, all right, let's keep going. It feels like I'm gonna get this thing done soon, but unfortunately there's still a lot of little things here and there. So I wanna really walk around today, show you all the things that we still have left to do, and ask for your ideas and your help how to handle it, what to do with it, because a lot of it's new to me. Still a lot of new territory. We definitely have to remodel some things, we have to refurbish some stuff. I mean, there's still a good bit of projects ahead of us. So let me know what you think the best way to approach it, how to handle it, but let's go ahead and go around and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first thing first, we have the bunk bed that's missing on top. Honestly, I have all the pieces that are just extremely burnt, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm not too confused what's going on. I got my rails, cleaned them up, repainted them, get it mounted. I mean, that shouldn't be too bad. I could probably figure that out, what's going on with that. It's gonna be a big project. I have basically the old TV supposed to go here. Man, this looks really bad too. Really need to just go ahead and finish that up. I have to cut my hole out a little bigger because this is a different plate than before. So I definitely need to do that too. Cut that, mount it, get it done. Get rid of this bundle because it looks horrible. Open that up, see what's going on, see which wires I need to replace, rerun, see what's going on there. There's my door, but there's supposed to be a trim piece that goes here too. So I don't know if I have an old one, just make something or try to figure that out. A lot of the trim work, that's gonna be a lot of work as well. Moving over here, I got a mess with all my tools, but that's part of it. There's supposed to be a table that goes up and down that transforms into a bed right here. I'll just show you what's going on there because it's definitely burnt. We need to restore that somehow. Try to figure that out. Let's keep going. Our bathroom. Still have to either get a shorter toilet or try to make that work. But over here it's not too bad. It's coming together. So this is the back room. I still need to actually finish this cabinet, put that thing on there, and that's where the TV mounts as well. So I gotta get that going. Got some drawers that are still missing, but that's not bad. I could figure that out. Our benches are still gone too. I sent it out for the upholstery guy to really get those cushions made and rewrapped with our material, but still waiting for that to come along. We'll see. Hopefully that'll come in soon. Alright guys, so there is my table that I took out from the middle benches. It's not bad for the brackets, but as you could tell, the table is gone. It is destroyed. So I definitely need to replace it. So it makes sense what to do with the brackets. All I have to do is just take it apart, sand it, paint it black. That's gonna look really nice. That's not a problem. Because it's a really cool design where it could just fold down, becomes a bed, and then comes back up and you got a table. It's actually pretty quick, easy, user-friendly, I guess. But what do I do with this table? Do I get a big piece of wood, like a cutting board? That'd be really cool looking. Epoxy, paint something black. I'm just worried if I do use like car paint, it's gonna scratch up and stuff, so definitely don't want to do that. But that'd be a fun DIY idea project. Let me know what you guys think. What some ideas people have done for RVs. I mean, I'm definitely new to it. But I want a nice finish and make it look real clean and practical. So like I said, leave the comments below, we'll read it, and we'll just try to go from there. But for now, I can go ahead and take it apart and get this ready for my top. what I'm going to do next is work on that TV stand. Basically, this goes right there with the front door. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. It's going to look good. I definitely got enough white, so this gray is going to look good in that corner. Let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, so this is the corner that we want to fix. I'll go ahead and get that mounted like I said, and get that box on there, and see what it looks like after. Oh yeah, I'm sure it's going to be a great transformation. Alright, so what I did is basically go through all the wires, and if I see anything burnt, I went ahead and got rid of it. So there's a good bit of cables there, but mostly just HDMI cable and satellite. So I just have to run it back. I marked them what it was, HDMI, so then I could just pull it out and just run a new cable later. Not a big deal. I mean, for the cable, I'm not really worried about HDMI right now. I know my other two wires, that's my motor wires. Those are good. I went through it, just got to splice it together, anything burnt, so I made sure nothing's bad. Went through them all. Electric tape did, got it all done. Now I can mount my box. So let's go ahead and get that on there. Alright guys, went to the store, got me a TV and some mounts because the mount I have is actually missing a piece, but let's go ahead and get it mounted on there, and then also I got the TV in the back I gotta get mounted, so let's get it done. Alright guys, look at that. TV is mounted, we got it hooked up, and it's looking great. I mean, I honestly really like the size of it. Covers up nicely, you can move it around, so if you're sitting on the benches, you could tilt it, and then it goes back to its spot, secure it down, no problem. Looks great, I'm really happy with the results. Wasn't too bad. TV's mounting, you know, sometimes it can be tricky, but once I got the right mount, plug and play. Looks great. I mean, just look at that. After, and this is the before. Can you believe it, guys? This is what was on there only a couple months ago. Boom. Looking great. What a transformation. Just a little reminder where we came from. I mean, that's insane, but looks good now. So next thing to do is that bed, I guess. I'm just wondering, should we just do a bunk bed delete, cover all this up, make it look nice, and then you have so much more space, lightweight? Or should we just go with it and, since I had it before, make it original and put the bed back on? Write some comments, you guys. Let us know what you think. Really love your feedback. But unfortunately, that's all the time over today. Thanks, guys, for staying tuned. Looking forward to reading your comments. Don't miss the next time.